This is the reason I love my husband. Because I asked him to move something, and he probably knew this was going to happen, but just wanted to please me. Is this one way to do a trench, eh, babe?
No. Okay, I'm gonna try and go around. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to say thanks to all the friends and family and internet people out there that have subscribed. We are closing in on 500 subscribers, which is really cool. Today's little vlog, we are taking care of this birch, this white birch that fell down over the snowstorm we had there mid-November. I got a little MS 250, I think it is. Gonna buck this thing up, and I don't know, birch is kind of like a really decorative wood, so I'm going to try and leave a couple pieces long and stuff. My wife, she's right into do-it-yourself projects with birch, so she's got got her hands full this time. Anyhow, so yeah, let's get all the gear on and get after it. Maya's riding the tractor now. She's all grown up. Now, I'm no arborist by any stretch, but this is the best case scenario when the tree falls over and you've got these pretty strong branches holding the weight of the tree up. So the procedure is start at the top of the tree and try to work all the top branches all the way to the back. This one's a little bit bigger, so you know we'll pretend this is like a trunk too, right? Like it's split. So I'll work it back here, take some of the weight back, and then I'm going to be left with nothing but the tree supported by the under branches. And then I'm going to slowly start cutting the big weight off and then trimming the stuff underneath and just working my way back till I probably got that last branch. And then I'm probably going to come middle, cut a V here, a little bit of an undercut because it's going to be tension down below, or compression. Yeah, there'll be compression on the top, right? And then I'm going to work it on the back, and then I'll have a V and I can cut it and it should just snap with a bit of the weight. It's not a very heavy tree, but we're going to pretend like it's a 100-foot spruce. So yeah, that new chain makes short work of this soft birch here. I might try and keep this. I cut this one real long. I want to try and do something fun with that. And the rest of it, I mean, the bush pile I'm going to burn. Alright, so if you're going to pull a stunt like this, the key is not to go overboard, you know. You just got to give her a little bit like that, okay? Just kidding. Feet are wet. Am I in the frame?
Yeah. So, I've lost my voice, so I'm sorry you have to listen to this scratchy voice, but this is the reason I love my husband. Because I asked him to move something, and he probably knew this was going to happen, but just wanted to please me. And so, this is where we're at. This is one way to do a trench, eh, babe?
No. Okay, I'm gonna try and go around the other side.
Or go on the front.
Well, I can't. I don't want to go over the septic with it.
Right.
A lot of weight.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get turned around and see if we can get out of here.
Good luck.
Seatbelts on. Okay, I'm gonna try and roll it out and tip it up. Can you handle those over there?
Yep. Yep.
And I'm gonna bring it this end down there,
okay.
but then this might be in the way. Yeah, so wiggle that out of the way and I'll just land this nice and easy.
Can you bring it my way a little bit?
I can't move it at all, you have to move.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit in the middle.
No, you sit them both together.
This ain't too bad. It's not often we want to get strong people.
Yeah. Oh, I'm strong. It's definitely not square, but
Yeah.
better than a kick in the nuts, as you would say.
Alright, well there you have it. We've cleaned up our mess, as you can see back there. Got all the twigs burnt up, got the bigger pieces in a nice pile, and of course we got a 20-foot long rut to deal with in the spring. Thanks, babe. Yeah, so a pretty successful day, just messing around as usual, trying to clear the old whiteboard out. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.